Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ed, aka Sprue and Glue Man. On this episode of Cool Tools, I'm going to pull out an airbrush that not a lot of people have seen. It's really old 1940s technology, but if you master this airbrush, you can make the best camouflage you've ever seen. Enter the Paasche AB. They no longer make these airbrushes anymore, unfortunately. That's why I bought 6 or 7 of them online, so I'd have parts to be able to repair them if possible, if need be anyhow. But anyways, it's one of the coolest things you've ever seen. This airbrush, the needle, moves in front of the air this way, instead of the air coming out of the nose, which is unusual. This is the actual where the air comes out right here. It blows right out there. This is the color cup. You only put drops of paint in this at a time. A few drops of thinner. That's it. This piece here adjusts how tight the needle is so it doesn't vibrate at the end. Eventually, when you pull back on this, that little tiny needle goes right in front of a little teeny tiny hole, and it makes lines almost the size of a human hair. 1940s technology. You can find them on eBay if you look, but beware, they usually go for over $200 each. Anyways, thanks for checking it out.